This video is sponsored by FutureSkill, an online learning platform to become a better developer. In software, nothing stands still. New frameworks, new tools, new expectations every single day. That's why improving my skills isn't a choice. It's a lifestyle. And for me, FutureSkill is the platform that keeps me ready. Built by coders for coders. The truth is, keeping up is hard. There's always something new to learn. You read about AI, cloud, new languages, and it feels like you're already behind. Recruiters, they don't just want a resume. They want to prove that you can perform under real test conditions. It's really hard, isn't it, to keep up with rapid changes in technology and the expectations tech companies now have. I've been there, feeling unprepared. That's exactly why I needed something different. That's when I found FutureSkill, a modern coding test platform designed around what companies actually use in hiring. Not theory, but practice. Not just quizzes, but real-world coding challenges. I try to improve my problem-solving skills by picking up one coding challenge every day. And their intuitive UI is self-explanatory. You can choose your favorite programming language, and they even provide you with boilerplate code, which is quite self-explanatory again. And if you come to your profile dashboard, you can see a lot of things. You can see your achievements, you can check your level, your activity, and to track your progress, you have a calendar. On the top, you have your courses tab. Here you can see all of the courses you've subscribed to. And then your exercises, the ones that you have given a try, and the challenges, which I haven't attempted yet, but I'm sure you will. And one of the coolest features they have is Daily Streak. Helps you to not miss a day and keeps you motivated. I've made FutureSkill part of my daily routine, just like a workout. I log in, pick up a challenge, and start coding. Whether it's practicing algorithms or exploring a new programming language, it fits naturally into my day. And honestly, it feels rewarding because every session makes me sharper and ready for the industry. And here's what I love: instant feedback. Progress tracking, so I can literally see growth over time. You also receive a signed certificate from CEO himself on completing a course. You guys always ask me how to improve problem-solving skills, learn new languages, or pass an interview. Well, Skill Plus by FutureSkill keeps your skills sharp and relevant. This isn't just about today. It's about long-term growth in a career where learning never ends. That's why Skill Plus by FutureSkill feels like a partner in my journey. Because we're all students of technology, right? And it's not only for individuals, it's for companies as well. As a company, now you don't have to go through all the hustle of individually screening each candidate. FutureSkill will take care of all the screening process and you will get a report in the end. You can create your own custom exercises, just like I've created one over here. By clicking on the Create button, you'll be redirected to an interface where you will see a number of options. Here, you can write the description of the exercise, summarize it for the participants, provide a minimum head start, the solution. You can even connect to custom APIs if you like. Plus, a lot of other visual changes that you can tweak to make the task interactive. Not every challenge is easy. In fact, some challenges knock me down. But that's the point. Skill Plus by FutureSkill trains me to fail fast, learn even faster, and come back stronger. They also offer a range of programming courses for your learning. For example, Introduction to Programming if you're a beginner, or my personal favorite, Data Structures. For better visibility, you can see all the different topics a course covers. So you can mentally prepare in advance, and they make sure your online learning experience does not get boring. Being in tech isn't just about code, it's about balance. The ideas, the breakthroughs, they come when I step away for a moment. When I clear my mind, then get back to it with focus. I keep notes, not just of what I've learned, but what I want to learn. Because in the industry, learning never stops. Every page is a reminder that growth is real reward. Technology isn't just my career, it's a part of who I am. And every hour I spend to sharpening my skills is an investment in my future. And how Skill Plus by FutureSkill helps me? By keeping me on top of the game. And of course, there has to be a big surprise for my subscribers in the end. And not just big, a special one. If you click on the link in the description and use my coupon code FAHAD, you will get 50% discount on all the courses. Not 20, not 40, 50% right off on your purchase. So if you want to prepare yourself well before the actual interviews and get yourself familiarized with the skills required to land a job in big tech companies, then use my code FAHAD to avail 50% flat off.